औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you are fine. The title of the book is Progressive English Unit 2 Horses. Today our topic is a 13th century Persian tale. That is on page number 34. You have to open your book on page number 34. Here is a 13th century Persian tale. Tale mean कहानी, Persian mean फारसी कहानी, 13th century की फारसी कहानी. This is story about Hatem Tai generosity and his famous horse. Sadis, who lived from 12th 13 to 12th 1901, is one of the most important Persian poet and storytellers. Persian फारसी शायर and storytellers और कहानी बताने वाला. He was a great traveler. Great traveler means students अजीम सयाह. And when he retired to his native Shiraz, he became royal poet. Yani after his retirement, he became royal poet and wrote 23 books for stories and poetry. He wrote 23 books of stories and poetry. This story has been retold. Retold means asarino, dobara in English, by Arthur Scollay. Now come on next page, page number 35. A wonderful horse. A wonderful horse means शानदार घोड़ा. Tell me about his famous horse of हातिम ताइज. Ordered the Sultan. सुल्तान ने आर्डर दिया कि मुझे हातिम ताई के फेमस हॉर्स के बारे में बताएं. He was tired of overhearing. Overhearing means students hear what is said to others. Whispers and rumors. Rumors mean अफवाहें and of having his own horses compared unfavorably with this renowned. Renowned mean famous, mashhoor. Steed mean horse. A horse being ridden or available for ride. Steed mean steed of the Arabian chieftain. Chieftain mean sardar. The sultan's courtiers. Courtiers mean darbari were only too eager to satisfy him. It is the color of smoke, said one. एक ने कहा कि इसका कलर स्मोक है. As swift as the dawn breeze. Dawn breeze मॉर्निंग की हवा, जो ठंडी हवा होती है. said another. दूसरे ने कहा no it's swifter, said a third. third ने कहा swiftest है for it leaves the wind behind in the dust. यानी वो विंड को जो ऐसे डस्ट की तरह पीछे छोड़ देता है. It flies faster than a bird. यानी इस तरह ये तेज दौड़ता है like a bird. It's neighing mean हिनहिनाना like thunder. यानी इस तरह है जिस तरह के थंडर तूफान है. It flashes by like lightning. The sultans listened patiently. Patiently means सब्र से, बर्दाश्त से. Well, he said, it seems to me that just as there is no one in the world more generous than Hatem Tai. Generous mean fiyaz, sakhi. So now there is no horse in the world to match his horse. If only there was some way of meaning the truth, not only about the horse but of his generosity as well. He discussed with his wazir. उसने ये सब कुछ अपने वज़ीर के साथ डिस्कस किया. I have it, said the sultan, at least, and it is so simple that I must be inspired. Inspired mean मुतासिर होना. I will send and ask Hatem Tai to give me the horse. Your Majesty. Majesty mean azmat, shan. Do not you see? He cried. Hatem Tai has this reputation for being generous. Well, here is a supreme way of testing it and also of acquiring that horse. Acquire mean हासिल करना. ये जो है उसकी generosity, सखावत को भी, हातिम ताई की सखावत को चेक करने का और उसका जो फेमस हास था उसको हासिल करने का ये तरीका था. If he refuses mean इनकार कर दिया. Where is हिज फेमस जनरसिटी, अगर उसने इनकार कर दिया तो उसकी वो जो मशहूर जो सखावत जनरसिटी है वो कहाँ गई। आई शैल हैव शोन दी वर्ल्ड दैट हिज रेपुटेशन इज एज द नॉइज ऑफ एन एम्प्टी ड्रम। वेल, व्हाट डू यू थिंक? एन एक्सीलेंट स्कीम योर मैजेस्टी। एक दरबारी ने उनमें से कहा कि ये एक्सीलेंट स्कीम है योर मैजेस्टी। ऑफ कोर्स इट इज़, एंड हु बट योर सेल्फ ही equipped with the skill and tact to carry it out. Take 10 men and set off immediately. Immediately mean foreign. Away went the wazir with royal messengers. Messengers mean पैगाम रसां. The land was dry when they set out, but soon the clouds came and heavy rain refreshed the ground, turning it to mud. Soon many parts of the land were flooded. यानी तब जो है अचानक बारिश हुई, तब ज़मीन, जब इन्होंने सफ़र स्टार्ट किया था तो ज़मीन ड्राई थी, कैद किसी सिचुएशन थी, अचानक बारिश हुई और फ्लड किसी सिचुएशन हो गई. When at least the wet and weary travelers mean भारी ट्रेवलर, भारी मुसाफिर, arrived, हातिम ताई himself came out to bid them welcome. उनका वेलकम करने के लिए हातिम ताई खुद आए. They were shown to prepared. Now come on next page, page number 36. Prepared rooms, given fresh clothes and invited to a feast, और एक इसके लिए feast के लिए invite किया. All were astonished. Astonished mean हैरान. All were astonished at the splendor of the meal. Splendor mean magnificence, शान व शौकत, अज़मत of the meal, यानी इतना शानदार खाना दिया. The roast meat was succulent. Succulent means student juicy or tasty, रस भरा. Succulent. There were rich sweet dishes to follow. The cups were of gold. And now, said Hatim Tai, when all were satisfied, what can I do for the Sultan? Delicately mean बहुत नज़ाकत से, एहतियात से. Delicately the वज़ीर began to reveal the purpose of the mission. यानी वज़ीर ने अपने मिशन का जो पर्पस था वो ज़ाहिर किया. But as he continued, he saw a look of sadness क्रॉस हातिम ताई's फेस. जब वो बात कर रहा था तो हातिम ताई के फेस पे सैडनेस, उदासी आ गई, उसने देखी. एंड विच ही स्पोक ऑफ द सुल्तान्स रिक्वेस्ट, हातिम ताई क्राइड आउट इन डिस्ट्रेस. डिस्ट्रेस मीन फीलिंग ऑफ ग्रीफ और अनहैप्पीनेस. ओह माई फ्रेंड, वाई डिड नॉट यू टेल मी दिस बिफोर? When you all arrived, I was at a loss, for the flood have made it impossible at the moment to reach my flocks and herds. यानी ड्यू टू फ्लड जो था वहाँ पे फ्लॉक और एंड हर्ड तक पहुँचना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया था. One animal only was at my gates. एक ही जो एनिमल था मेरे गेट पे था. दी फेम्ड हॉर्स ऑफ विच यू स्पोक, यानी वही हॉर्स जिसके बारे में आपने मेरे से बोला है. आई किल्ड इट एंड हैड इट रोस्टेड, यानी मैंने उसको आप लोगों के लिए रोस्ट कर दिया. आई कुड नॉट लेट यू गो टू बेड हंग्री इवन इफ़ आई नेवर फाइंड एन अदर स्ट्रीट लाइक दिस वन. यानी मैंने ये बर्दाश्त पसंद नहीं किया कि आप लोग भूखे रहें, सोचें, यहाँ तक कि मैंने अपना फेमस जो था हॉर्स था वो रोस्ट कर लिया आप लोगों के लिए. ये पसंद नहीं किया कि आप लोग भूखे रहें, हालांकि ऐसा जो हॉर्स है मुझे कभी नहीं मिलेगा. सेवरल डेज लेटर, यानी बहुत से दिनों के बाद. सेवरल डेज लेटर द इन्वाइस मीन ऑफिशियल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. इन्वाई मीन ऑफिशियल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव रिटर्न टू द सुल्तान बियरिंग गिफ्ट्स ऑफ gold, rich robes and horses. When he heard their story, even he could not help but applaud the जनरसिटी ऑफ हातिम ताई, यानी हातिम ताई की जो जनरसिटी थी, उसकी सखावत को देख के वो हैरान रह गया. Here are question you have to do. Question are page number 36. These are the questions. Story is very easy and interesting. I think you have heard this story about earlier. If you not, then you have now taught about this story. This story basically about the Hatem Tai generosity and his famous horse that he killed for his guests. Question number 1 is a question. Students, you have to write question on your from your book. Answer I am teaching you. First question is, what did the Sultan's courtiers tell him about Hatem Tai's famous horse? Answer is, they told him that the horse of the color of smoke, it runs even faster than the wind, its neighing is like thunder, and it passes by the lightning. Question number 2 is about which two things did the sultans went to find the truth? Answer is, sultans wanted to find the truth about Hatem Tai's horse and his generosity. Third question is, what was the sultan's plan which would enable him to do this? Answer is, sultan's plan to ask Hatem Tai to give him his horse. Question number 4, why did the sultans choose his vizier to carry out this plan? Answer is, because he thought that his viziers had skill and tact to carry out such delicate mission. Question number 5, how did Hatem Tai show his generosity as a host? Answer is, he came out himself to bid welcome to his guests, showed them to prepared rooms, gave them fresh clothes, and invited them to a splendid feast. Question number 6, why did Hatem Tai not give his visitors some other meat to eat? Because floods had made it impossible to reach his herds and flocks. And question number 7 and last, why did the Sultan fail to acquire Hatem Tai's famous horse? Answer is, Hatem Tai had killed his famous horse and had it roasted to serve food to his guests. Students, here is a column you have to match. Find the words in the wonderful horse which have the same meaning at the following. First word is horse. Horse mean steed in this story. Next, equal. Equal mean match. Minister. Minister mean vizier. You have to write here words. Name. Reputation. Name means reputation. Getting hold of. Acquiring. Next word is diplomacy. Tact. Luxury. Splendor. Juicy. Succulent. Juicy means succulent. Famous. Renowned. And last one is show appreciations of. Here you have to write applaud, mean applaud. Now you note down your homework. Your homework is, you have to read this story, page number 34, 35 and 36 2 or 3 times, and then you have to learn the meaning of the difficult words, and you have to write question answer, and also you have to do match the column and learn. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.